Hey guys, so welcome back. Today is my twins, my soulmate's birthday. Lavon's turning 22. So I told him that I'm not going home for his birthday because, I'm stuck at school, whatever. But guess what we're going to do today? We're going to go home. I'm running super late to tap class, so I gotta go. After school, I went back to my dorm to make like a little snack. I made a little parfait using the skin of a dragon fruit as the bowl. It was my roommate's idea, and let me tell you, she knew what she was talking about because I ate and I left no crumbs. Absolutely none. Hey guys, so I'm at Publix right now. I'm gonna get him some flowers and balloons. I was also gonna get my eyebrows done, but they're closed today! This is tragic. It's okay, guys. Do not cry. I'll get them done back home. I'm still gonna holla slay for Thanksgiving. But yeah, it'll be fine. We're gonna go to Publix. Do y'all ever just come home and find your house completely different, like each time? Part 2? They painted the door brown. What? No! Where's my red door? I love just walking in the house and finding a fridge just randomly in the dining room. Lavon's been wanting a kayak for so long. So I was like, you know what? It's finally time. So yeah, I'm gonna go clean it. Gotta get to work. The hose was literally on a dead bird. Oh my gosh, I can't. This is not for me. The things I do for my Lavon poo. For my baby. Okay, so we're gonna scrub. Scrub it down. Oh, it smells like dust. It's not a spider, guys. It's just a twig. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. The amount of jump scares I've had in the past 10 minutes is insane. Look how brand new it looks. It's actually new. The person I bought it from just never used it, but like when I got it, it was really dirty. So it looks brand new again. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so this is Denise.
It's a surprise. I didn't know. I'm so.
Oh yeah, I didn't tell you. So we're gonna be surprising Lavon.
He's 22, and I still can't believe I just met him this March.
Period.
I feel like we've known each other for years. This is for you, Lavon.
Facebook Marketplace. Okay.
Dang, load her up.
Load her up. I'll see you.
Oh, he's home. He's like right there.
Where'd I go? Do I hide?
Shut up! Oh!
Yeah.
No way! Yes! Hey, sorry, I stink. I just came back from fishing. You're good. Hey, buddy!
Hi, Lee.
You look so good. Thank you so much. Shut up! No way! Chloe!
This is also from Emily, Haley, and Valerie who helped pay for this.
I had no idea.
And Denise helped me transport it.
Chloe, come here. Literally, thank y'all so much. Come here, y'all. Give me a hug.
Group hug.
Oh my gosh.
Maddie. Oh.
Thank you so much. I'm so sorry to sing again.
welcome.
There's more?
Oh, there's for me. I literally met this dude just in March.
I love this. I love this. I'm using this today, actually.
I was like, you're a nature boy, so there's your...
I need this. I need this. I need this. I go all the time. Oh. Thank you so much. Oh, so sweet. Oh, I don't even know what to say, y'all. Thank you so much.
Here's your flowers for March.
Thank you. I don't
We
even know what
decided
to
to do a
say.
blue theme since you like blue.
I love it.
Get the whole angle.
Gotta get the whole boat.
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.